How to complete KYC. Here are the step-by-step guidelines. After registration, you will be automatically redirected to the KYC questionnaire. Let's finish that now. Complete the client questionnaire. Then click Submit for document verification. Choose your application data. Choose your document type. Take a photo of the selected document according to the specified guideline issue. Also need to provide proof of address, which can be utility bill, bank statement, or government document dated within the last 3 months. From dashboard, you can choose to deposit, find a wide range of available payment options. Once your account has been approved by SumSub, you will receive a confirmation email notifying you of the approval. You will also receive the login credentials for your new live trading account. You will also see the bank details. Stonefort Securities offer a range of secure deposit to withdrawal methods. Once all steps are completed, you may proceed with your deposit and begin your trading journey with Stonefort Securities.